Want to escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom? Let's break down the essential elements of building a successful online business that can be created by anyone, regardless of their background. Inspired by Anastasi's The Laptop Millionaire. Element 1. Identify your niche. Find your passion and expertise. What are you knowledgeable about? What problem can you solve for others? Your niche will be the foundation of your online business. Element 2. Build a strong online presence. Create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Utilize platforms like YouTube, Instagram, email subscription, and blogs to build a loyal following. Element 3. Generate multiple income streams. Don't rely on a single income stream. Diversify your earnings through products, services, affiliate marketing, advertising, and venture partnership. Element 4. Mindset matters. Success online requires a growth mindset. Be prepared to face setbacks and learn from failures. Persistence and adaptability are key. Element 5. Take action. Knowledge is power, but action is key. Start small, experiment, and iterate. The journey to becoming a laptop millionaire begins with the first step. Remember, it's about more than just money. Financial freedom allows you to live life on your terms. Start your journey today.